Today we're going to install a motorizing kit on a number 2 compact. All you need is a 3/4 inch wrench. To install the motorizing kit, take off the 2 back bolts of the manual gearbox. The motorizing kit comes fully assembled and ready to install. Remove the sprocket from the manual gearbox, line your sprocket with the keyway, and slide it on. Use your bolts from the manual gearbox to install your motorizing kits using a 3/4 inch wrench. Most important thing when installing a motorizing kit is to make sure your sprocket slides back and forth in between the chains. After installing the motorizing kit on a number 2 compact, we will connect the control box and test the unit. To connect the control box, line up the 2 red squares, push together, and tighten. After connecting the control box to the unit, we will test it to make sure it works. Turn your power source on, and then turn up your speed.